Hello friends and fans. Samsung has started to launch its new smartphone Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime. All you wanted to know about the price, launching date, and features, then watch the video till the end. Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G is an excellent, budget-friendly smartphone designed especially for users who want impressive performance and 5G connectivity. Now let's talk about the features of the phone. Let's start with the design. The Galaxy J15 Prime 5G comes with a sleek and premium look that's hard to ignore. It sports a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display that offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. Plus, the 90Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming super smooth, and those slim bezels with a punch-hole design just add to the phone's modern appeal. Under the hood, it's powered by the Exynos 1280 chipset, making it more than capable of handling daily tasks and even some heavy multitasking. Whether you're gaming, streaming videos, or switching between apps, the 6GB or 8GB RAM options ensure you get a smooth and lag-free experience. And of course, it supports 5G connectivity, so you're future-proofed for lightning-fast internet speeds. Moving on to the cameras, the 64MP primary camera is a real highlight, offering crisp and detailed shots. Along with that, you get an 8MP ultra-wide lens for those breathtaking landscape photos and a 2MP depth sensor for perfect portrait shots. Selfie fans won't be disappointed either, as the 16MP front camera ensures you get stunning selfies every time. Battery life is another strong suit for this phone, thanks to its 5000 mAh battery that can easily last through a full day of heavy use. And when you do need to charge, the 25W fast charging feature will get you back up and running in no time. On the software side, the Galaxy J15 Prime 5G runs on Android 13 with One UI 5.0, offering a user-friendly experience with plenty of customization options. It's packed with all the latest connectivity options like Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and, of course, dual SIM support. Not to forget, the fingerprint sensor adds that extra layer of security while being incredibly convenient. Storage-wise, you get plenty of room for all your photos, videos, and apps with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage, expandable up to 1TB via a micro SD card, so you'll never have to worry about running out of space. The price of the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G may range from 18,000 rupees to 22,000 rupees, making it an affordable 5G smartphone. However, for the exact price and availability, you should check with your nearest retailer or online store. So, that wraps up our look at the Samsung Galaxy J15 Prime 5G. With its sleek design, powerful performance, solid camera setup, and long battery life, this phone offers a lot of value. If you're looking for an affordable 5G smartphone that doesn't compromise on features, this one should definitely be on your radar. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.